Hey, in this episode, I will tell you what after death. Get ready to experience the amazing world of next 6 dimensions through which a soul or spirit passes. I request you to watch on the last video whereas I discussed on 1st to 5th dimensions. Click above black dots and watch till the end too, as this video is going to be more and more interesting as we proceed. I know most of you are aware of first 3 or 4 dimensions. The first 3 dimensions are dimensions of space, that is length, width and height, while the 4th dimension is the time dimension, where soul can travel after death, and 5th dimension is playing role of parallel universe, which is bitterly truth. So today now the next is 6th dimension. 6th dimension gives more powers to a person living in this dimension. He can not only move in any direction in time at his will, but also can take many forms at the same time, just like the quantum world. We know that the quantum world is the world of probabilities, where particles can be present at different places at the same time and can take different forms. So the 6th dimension gives more flexibility in comparison to the 5th dimension. In the 6th dimension, we enter into the world of parallel universe. That is the concept of multiverse. Next, 7th dimension. This dimension also includes the concept of parallel universes. 7th dimension contains infinite number of universes. So a person living in 7 dimensions can move in any universe and can have infinite forms of itself. The basic difference between the 6th and the 7th dimension is that the infinite universes in the 6th dimension had the condition that they all must have the same beginning as of ours. That is the Big Bang. But the 7th dimension is free from this condition. Also, 7th dimension can contain a plane of all possible universes with different start conditions. Universes present in this dimension may have originated from different possibilities. 8th dimension. According to string theory, there will be no physical existence of any object that is present in the 8th dimension. So anyone living in this dimension would not be able to touch anything, nor it can be touched by anything or anyone, as nothing will have any physical existence. If you find it difficult to imagine, then you can understand it. Like the digital world that we are familiar with, the 8th dimension will contain a plane of all the possible presents, pasts and futures for all the infinite number of parallel universes that are stretching up to infinity. 9th dimension. 9th dimension is again very interesting and unbelievable. In the 9th dimension, it is possible for many civilizations or aliens to live at the same place and at the same time, without seeing and feeling the presence of others. That is, being completely unaware of the presence of the other. If someone is able to see, then he might be seeing all the civilizations and aliens living together at the same time at the same place, smoothly and independent of each other. A person living in the 9th dimension will be able to move in any infinite number of universes, will have no physical form, will be able to move in all presents, pasts and futures of any infinite number of universes that are extending to infinity. One different thing that will happen in the universe of the 9th dimension will be that these universes may have their own laws of physics and separate conditions and probabilities of their origin. This dimension will contain infinite possibilities and would be infinitely complex to understand for us. A person living in the 10th dimension will have infinite powers. That person would be so powerful that he would be no other than the God himself, as he would be able to control space and time and everything present in any infinite number of universes. He would have all the powers that are possessed by a person living in other lower dimensions that we have already discussed. The possibilities for this dimension are infinite. Even those things are possible in this dimension that are beyond your imagination. Yes, beyond your imagination. 11th dimension. Friends, before describing the 11th dimension, let me tell you that according to string theory, there are 10 dimensions, while M theory says that there are total 11 dimensions. But according to bosonic theory, total number of dimensions may be up to 26. But scientists say that because of self-consistency, a universe cannot have more than 11 dimensions as they become collapsed back down into 11 or 10 dimensions. So now let's come back to the 11th dimension. In the 11th dimension, everything imaginable or unimaginable is possible. In other words, you can say that there is nothing that cannot happen in the 11th dimension. According to M theory, the smallest thing in the universe is not atoms, electrons, Higgs, boson or quarks. The smallest thing is much smaller than all these subatomic particles. Actually, the smallest thing in the universe is strings. You may think why I am explaining this string here. Actually, strings vibrate in the 11th dimension that we are going to discuss. Everything present in every universe of every dimension is made up of springs.